Today let us discuss about what is science and what are the values you get when you learn science. Okay, when you learn science you are able to enhance your knowledge. Okay, you can see there are many different values you get on learning of science, namely intellectual value, utilitarian value, vocational value, aesthetic value, cultural and moral value. What is the meaning of intellectual value? When you learn science, you enhance your knowledge. Your understanding ability is enhanced. You are thinking in a very different way. You are able to think in a more concrete and abstract ways. Is it not? That is called as a intellectual aim. Then you have utilitarian. By learning science, you are able to make it and use it in your practical life. That is called as an utilitarian use. Then what is vocational use? When you learn science, you are able to go for many different kinds of jobs. Take for example, when you learn aquaculture, or when you are able to make planetarium, you are able to make a job out of it. You are going to earn. Vocational is nothing but those jobs which will fetch you amount. Is it not? By learning science, you are able to move to different kinds of courses and degrees. Is it not? That is what we call it by vocational use. Then what is aesthetic use? By learning science, you are able to enhance your appreciation for the beauty of nature. Take for example, you see the birds, you see different kinds of animals in the environment and you admire their beauty and their nature. Is it not? Then cultural value. By learning science, we become more civilized, disciplined and we are able to get ourselves more developed. Then what is the moral value? Through science, we are making our life to be more perfect, more disciplined and practice more scientific approaches in our life and make our life to be more simple and easy. You can see in those days the people were not aware of many instruments. Now we have many instruments that make our life more easy, like washing machine, everything there. Is it not? We are made more comfortable and an easier lifestyle with the learning of science. So, what are the values you get when you learn science? What are they? Intellectual value, utilitarian value, vocational value, aesthetic value, cultural value and moral value. Now, I am going to tell you what is science. So, we have already learned that science is a body of facts. It is a body of principles and activities. I have already given you the definition. Science is a process of acquiring and refining the knowledge. Is it not? Through science, we are acquiring the knowledge and we are refining it day to day. Science is said to be an interdisciplinary subject because it has relationship with other subjects and other sciences. Why do we call science as an interdisciplinary subject? Now, look into the definition. What is the interdisciplinary? It has connections with many other branches. Okay, that is called as an interdisciplinary approach. Approach is nothing but the way. Okay. Then, biology has relation with other branches of science. What are the other branches of science you know? There are many different branches, like you have your physiology and anatomy, like that. It has connection with other branches of science. Like you have your math, science, social science, likewise. Then biology also has connection with other school subjects. Take for example, you can't learn language alone. When you learn language, we are learning biology. Biology is related with language, maths, art and craft, like that. It is linked with other school subjects also and it is learned as an interdisciplinary subject. And then biology is having a relationship with the environment, because when you look into the environment is nothing but where you have the living organism, non-living organism, everything there. So you learn the environment. Take for example, it may be a pond ecosystem or a desert ecosystem or a forest ecosystem, like that. you learn about the biotic components, abiotic components, everything in the environment. Is it not? Environment is nothing but the surrounding in which we live. So, since biology is having a connection with all the other things, it is called as an interdisciplinary subject. So, biology is going to have relationship with other sub-branches of science. Namely, it may be cytology or physiology, like that. It has connections with other branches. Then, biology is having connections with other school subjects like your maths, science, social, everything. It has connections with other school subjects. Social studies, everything. So, when you learn about the geographical location, you learn about the biology there. What is the climate, what is the type of plants which live there, the animals which live there, everything comes under this. Then, what is the biology with the environment? When you learn about the biology, you are linking with the biotic factors, abiotic factors, everything here, and you learn about them. I hope you know what is biotic, the living organism, abiotic components. These together interact and form the ecosystem. Okay. So, when you learn biology, you are not learning biology alone. You are relating it with other school subject and learning it in a better way. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Thank you.